just wanna be happy tonight.
Hello everyone, this is Kiran. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. This video I am trying the heatless curls with a t-shirt. Don't know how that's gonna turn out, but that's what we are here for. Let's start. So I came across a YouTube short and I don't have words. I don't know what to say. This is gorgeous. And instantly I was like, we need to try this. But there are a lot of things that can go wrong here. One, she is gorgeous. Second, she has gorgeous hair. And third, my hair cannot be trusted. They have a brain of their own. But whatever, let's just start hoping and praying for the best. Let's roll the t-shirt first. Now we are going to tie the loose end so that it does not open. Let's start. Now I am just following the instructions. Split your hair in half. You can part as per your choice. Take a triangular section and pull it lightly and spray some water. As I continued, I totally forgot the triangle, the circle, all the shapes. It was tough. Wrap the hair around the bun or the donut. Continue the same and grab more hair as you go. While you guys are enjoying my struggle, how about you hit the subscribe button as well and hit the notification? That will help me a lot and will give me a boost of motivation and confidence. As you can see, I was struggling. It's not as easy as she makes it appear, like a queen. And when I thought it couldn't get any difficult, it's quite a struggle to wrap the last strand. And I don't need to just take the time management classes, but the space management as well. Learned quite a few things from this video. And it is finally done. I have a feeling it's not going to be easy and pretty while opening it in the morning. Read some comments and I just hope. It doesn't look that bad. It actually looks like a pretty 90s, 80s hairstyle, don't you think? Now we need to wait and I will see you guys in the morning and we'll see together how it looks and how it turns out. Pray for me, please. And it's time for the results. As you can see, the donut has kind of fallen to its side and also got loose overnight, but I cannot blame it because I am a restless sleeper. I also tied my hair with a scarf while sleeping so my hair stays intact. Now let's open and see how difficult it is to untie and unwrap it, and of course for the result. It wasn't really difficult to sleep with it because one, it's on the top of your head. Second, the donut is made out of a cloth, not some rubber or plastic, so that really helps. I mean, it did kind of rolled my hair, but they are super tangled because I think I was not able to roll them, wrap them properly. Like I said, it was a struggle. Let me try to comb my hair to get rid of the tangles and hopefully hope that the curls stay intact. I mean, I kind of like it. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll probably give it a 5, only because I think I wasn't able to do it properly. I wasn't able to wrap my hair properly because it was my first time. But I think if you keep on doing this, you will get used to the process and you'll be able to do it more properly. But because it was my first time, it was kind of a struggle, as you saw. But all's well if it ends well, right? Tie the ends of the donut in the front of your head and not in the back. That will make it easier for you to unwrap it. It gives you such a natural blowout look without using the heat and the dryer. Sign me up. Let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think, or if you have tried it, or maybe if you will after watching this video. I would love to know. And as always, I'll see you next time. Bye.